guys, it's Big Kitty. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the splits. So yeah, let's get started. I decided to do some high knees because you don't want any injuries when you do these stretches. You could do 20 or 23, but I recommend you do 25 because that will be good enough. So you want to start with some lunges. So yeah. So you want to do them for about 25 seconds. So I'm just standing here for like 25 seconds. So yeah, you want to start without 25 seconds because that will get a bit of a deeper stretch. And I know my leg is bent, but that's okay because your leg has to be kind of bent like how it is when you are in the splits. And yeah, so I'm still going to be waiting, but yeah. So firstly, you want to start to go on both sides. So yeah, now you want to do a lunge where it's like in the lunge that we were doing a couple of seconds ago, but you have to put your back leg up. And you want to do this for about 15 seconds. So let's start. So I don't really want to wait for these 50 seconds. So yeah. So I'll just be quiet. Sometimes I don't really like being quiet. But we're almost done with these 15 seconds. So then I can stop talking. So now you want to use your back leg to hold it for about 10 seconds. So make sure you also want to do it with your other hand. I'm not showing my other ones. I just want to do like one thing so I can teach you guys how to do it on the boat. So I really hope those stretches help you guys. I know they're not much, but those are the ones that you really want to do about 20 minutes a day. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, but you want to try them a long time. It might take a little while for you to get your splits, but yeah. And I'm going to show a clip next on how your splits are. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.